CPI happened yesterday and ended up dropping DXY to a new lows again and retesting that area I literally mentioned a couple of days ago on the videos here on the Coin Bureau Trading. So let's go into, is Bitcoin finally going to break and follow gold? Because gold has now ended up pushing, changed all the moving averages and potentially pushing higher. So will Bitcoin finally break this 31k? So let's do a full breakdown, potential stop loss hunt or fake out that could be happening soon for you to be aware of, and the next trade ideas. Let's get to it. Right, so let's start this off by covering over a little bit of news yesterday. So yesterday we had the CPI report. So with that, it's saying that the actual was 3%, which was lower than forecasted, which ended up meaning that the dollar was weaker across the board. And we can see that that reaction from there is yesterday or the day before when I made this video, if we've broken this trend line, we were going to test the $100.5 mark for the dollar basket, meaning the dollar is weakening across the board. So that's the summary of it. And now that we've broken this support, we could come all the way down to $97, so a new low again after breaking this for the past couple of months. So since January 2023 this year, this is now low of the year, and as it pushes further and further and further, it will keep creating these new lows. So it's just weakening across the dollar. As it's weakening across the dollar, we can see gold ended up rallying yesterday all the way from 1934 to the 1959. We held on this support multiple times and is looking to potentially test this 2016 mark and even make a new high if that is even possible. That's been something I've been wondering with gold, because gold has had this triple top, and now that we've got a great bounce, moving averages are in favor, the trend is in favor, the fundamentals are in favor, gold could rally to push and make a new high. So this is all great and fun, Dan, but what about Bitcoin? I got you, don't worry. So with the concept of Bitcoin, and the title, as we said, it could be stopped out, is the reason I said we could be stopped is because what we could see is an absolute flash wick before pushing up onto the upside. And the reason this flash wick comes is, whether you want to call it market manipulation, whatever it is, these things generally happen during points of accumulation like we are now. This point of accumulation is where Bitcoin is undecided. We haven't really known what the next major move is for Bitcoin, but fundamentally everything is aligning for Bitcoin to break 31,200 and make a new high. We've got DXY, but it's lower, meaning that Bitcoin versus USD, and USD is weak, therefore Bitcoin is just generally higher in general because dollar is weak, right? But if Bitcoin can get some momentum on top, it will push even further, therefore there's a big disparity, therefore price for Bitcoin to push higher. Alongside with that, we have gold as another correlation. So gold is a great way to as a money of store of wealth. Bitcoin, you can see that's another argument, another situation, but a lot of people would look to put money into Bitcoin to store that. So could we get some more buying power? Could we get some more greed into the market, and could we see this push higher and higher? To me, this makes sense. To me, I've got these two trades which we've been waiting for and talking about, which is a buy on the 28,000 and then a buy on the 31,000. So guys, don't forget to check out our Bitget competition. So you can click on the link in the description to sign up, where you get 20% off of your discount or trading fees, $40,000 worth of bonuses, and we have an exclusive just for Coin Bureau Trading, as it says here, for a promo. So you sign up, as you sign up, you deposit, and you can trade on this competition, and the top 100 people in this competition will be able to win a prize pool, with number one prize at $4,000. And then even if you just sign up at the moment at the bottom 100, you get $5 if you participate in this competition. Link in the description below. It's free for you to enter and only here exclusive with us at Coin Bureau Trading. Let's get back to the video. So the reason of the buy on the 31,000 is because if we break up and above, we've finally got the momentum to push new high for the year, and then potentially even test the 35k, which is the target that we've been set out and what the market is telling us from a price action point of view. So a very quick but in-depth and short review of Bitcoin, the DXY, and also gold as well. So let me know, what do you guys think? Do you guys think gold is actually indication to it? I've shown examples after examples after example of how gold and Bitcoin follow in suit, and obviously the fundamentals of the dollar basket and Bitcoin and dollar basket against the rest of the market. What do you guys think is going to happen? Do you think this is a fake out? Do you think this is actually going to finally push and have the momentum? But Bitcoin is definitely currently lagging behind the rest of the market. Well, crypto, I think crypto is lagging behind the rest of the current movements, because indices are moving, commodities, equities, etc., futures, and they are all moving in correlation. So we just got to wait for crypto. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to smash that subscribe button, help us hit that 30k mark. We're not far away. We hit 25k, so thank you so much for you guys joining. I'll be reviewing some of your questions next week. So we've been doing some coins reviews. Some of you guys have put some altcoins, so we will do some altcoin reviews next week on key levels. If you haven't already, go check out our XLM, XRP, Bitcoin and Ethereum review that we did a few days ago.